Alright, what's good guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another analysis. So we're gonna do Tuesday analysis with US30 and gold. Now, let me know if you guys also want me to break down Forex here, because we do trade Forex as well. Check this out. We are currently in a Euro USD position, which we did end up hitting our 1-1 risk to reward trade. Perfect swing trade to the upside. I give more details into this one. AUD USD is another trade, another swing trade that we're running at the moment. We're obviously targeting a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Just right now, we're running over 75 pips, almost a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade with this one. Very simple. This was also called out inside the Forex group, which we're currently also this are the analysis. Euro JPY, never got my entry for this one. NCD JPY, literally missed my entry. This would have been an amazing trade. Right now, we currently would have been running for over 100 pips, also 1 to 2 risk to reward. It just never activated my limit, which was at 9100. This was also the analysis, right? But just let me know if you guys also want me to go into more details with Forex. Maybe we can get into that later on in the future. But for now, let's just focus on US30 and gold. So check this out. US30 has not done anything since yesterday night, yesterday morning as well. So you guys can literally see that pretty much we're just in the middle, not doing anything, but the analysis stays the same. Now with gold, what I'm currently going to be waiting for is simply going along with the trend. Remember, the trend is always going to be your friend. You guys can see that price is literally just heading to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows. You guys can see here that we broke to the upside, formed this new resistance slash new previous all-time high, broke above this previous resistance slash all-time highs as well, which as you guys can see, price pullback, retest, use that as support, pushing to the upside. Yesterday, we caught the same exact move that I gave you guys the analysis, which was simply the same exact setup as this one. This happened over here. Now check this out. We did break above the previous all-time high, which is also resistance, which is also going to be roughly around the 2350, right? So check this out. Price is currently retesting that structure, right? And the only way that I'll be interested in taking buy position will be only if price, only if price can remain itself above the 2348, 2350, right? So those are the two zones that I'm keeping my eyes on. So 2350, 2348. So we did form a new all-time highs right here at 2364, right, which is another area to keep in mind, which can be a possible target if we do get those bounce into the upside, right? Now, once price comes into the area, what I do recommend is not to buy right away, right? I'd rather wait for price to at least give us a break of structure above this 15 minutes highs right over here. So this right here will be a confirmation, a great confirmation, right? But we need obviously the new higher low, right? Because you guys always want to enter off the higher low. So if we do get those pullbacks, right, you guys don't want to enter here. You guys want to wait for those minor higher lows to then end up taking those positions, which will be a better confirmation, right? So if price does remain itself under the 2348, what I do recommend is to make sure, right, to retest above these highs over here, 2355. So if it remains above 2048, you guys can obviously take those trades, but it will be considered mostly a high risk, right? Because then once again, price can do the same exact thing that happened yesterday, which I explained to you guys. Pretty much manipulate the market, takes out everyone at a stop loss, and then just keeps pushing to the upside. So if you guys would have entered here, you guys would have taken a stop loss. Me personally, I didn't enter here. We were in profit, but obviously I want to take a 1-on-1 risk to reward to go break even, but unfortunately price never did that, so it just took me at a stop loss. So same thing over here. If price does remain itself above here, that will be a great confirmation, right? Because we retested structure and it rejected, right? Now, what I recommend you guys to do is to at least break retest above the 2355, which will be most likely a safe buys. Then you guys can have your stop loss under anywhere over here, and then this can be your first take profit. If price continues breaking to the upside, you guys just obviously just go along with the trend. Now, since we did form this all-time highs, obviously we're going to start having retracements, right? And now the only way that I'll be interested in taking sells will be only if price can break and retest under the 2348. Maybe this trend line, I really don't trade trend line, but sometimes it does look clean. I really don't understand exactly. Well, I do understand, but don't really trade with it, right? But right now we're currently trading under the trend line, right? So if we start breaking under it, and we do have a candle closure under, which right now is 830, I'd rather wait for a 30-minute bearish candle to close something like this. So if we do get a bearish candle close like this, obviously you guys want to go into a lower time frame, wait for those minor pullbacks, make sure that price is trading under, right? Because you guys can see that we're currently in this uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. This can be the possible higher low. But if you guys go into a lower time frame, we're kind of having to switch of structure, right? Obviously, we were heading to the upside, and then price is just heading to a downside now. So if we do break under, we can possibly break under the previous higher lows, which at this point, we want to wait for price to form those lower high off the minor time frame. And from there on, you guys are good to take some sales position back into a downside. If the sell position end up playing out, then this will be my first take profit at well, not my first take profit. My first take profit will be somewhere around this zones over here, but this definitely could be a second take profit. And if it continues breaking under, you guys simply just literally just do the same exact thing, breaking retest under 23.29. You guys can continue selling back into these lows over here, which will be 23.04. So that's gonna be it, guys, for this analysis. US30, you guys already know exactly what I'm gonna be waiting for. Literally has not done anything. I'm waiting for price to give me the pullback here. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys tonight with the recap. Peace out, guys.